Today I show you how to automatically delete files and folders from the trash bin on your Mac. This is the MacBook Air M5, but this is going to be the same on any Mac really, MacBook Pro or Mac Mini. If you need to make some space on the storage of your Mac, you can go into the settings, then general and storage. And here you see information about what takes space on your MacBook, and you can also remove some things. And you see the trash is 50 giga, so I could empty the trash manually from here. If you want the trash bin to be automatically emptied when it's 30 days pass, you can do this. So in the Finder, go into the Finder and then Settings, and under the Finder settings go to Advanced, and in the Advanced Finder settings look for Remove items from the trash after 30 days option. Check this, and now the trash bin will be emptied after 30 days. If you delete an item, it will be kept for 30 days and then it will be emptied. So in my case, if it's less than 30 days, it's still not going to delete these files, but I could manually delete these files without any problem. So here I could do empty trash. If you really need the space and you don't want to wait for the 30 days, you can still delete the files before the 30 days, but you don't have to go back to the storage settings and have to empty the trash manually. It will be automatically deleted after 30 days. The trash will not be emptied after 30 days. It's just files older than 30 days will be deleted. I hope this helps you clear the space, get some extra free space on your MacBook. Thanks for watching.